So this is weird. Hello. My name is Caroline. Hello. I'm giving this another try. This is really weird for me, so bear with me. Obviously, I have a weird setup going on. Like, nothing's really set in place. I'm giving this a try. So if you saw my old videos, hello again. If not, welcome. I'm gonna try to do this like at least on a weekly basis. So I'm not a makeup artist. TBH, do I know what I'm doing? Good question. But I'm somebody who really loves makeup. I like to do other people's makeup. I like to do my own. Funny enough, I don't do it on the daily because I'm lazy. But when I have to, I have to. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I have like no chill. I go from like bare face to like full face. There's no in between. So I tried this around 5 years ago and I stopped because a couple different things. So I lost confidence in myself. I lost confidence in my skills. I lost confidence in my setup. Like, I mean, even though this is like super janky and I promise I'm gonna try to get better, I just didn't think that I had what it took. So I stopped. People were asking me, why did you stop? Can you do more? And I was like, I don't think I have what it takes. I don't think I've got the right chops. I think that there's a lot of people out there that are better than me, and I still think that I'm just a girl who likes makeup. But I want to try this again with no expectations. If you like it, you like it. And thank you so much if you do. If not, hey, I'm still trying out here. I'm still just getting a feel for it. So hopefully I'm gonna try to do this. I'm thinking, I don't know, uploads every Sunday or something. We'll see how it goes. I'm not gonna make any promises without knowing. But yeah, I hope you guys like it, and this is weird for me, so bear with me, and I guess I'll talk to you next week. All right, let's get this started. First, I'm going to be using the YSL Top Secrets Instant Matte Pore Refiner in my T-zone. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original, and you want to make sure you put that all over your eyelid. So for the entire eye look, we're going to be using the Kat Von D Lolita Por Vida eyeshadow palette. In our crease, we're going to be using La Lupe and Amorcito, a mixture of the both of those, and then you want to put that in the crease in a windshield wiper motion. Next, we're going to be using Cariño in the outer corner of the eyelid. Now, the trick for this is you want to lay down the color with a small brush, lay it down, pack it on, and then you want to blend it out with a fluffier brush after you've packed it on already. So as you can see here, I packed it on densely with a really small, fine, tapered brush, and now I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and just blend it all out, blend it into the crease that you have already created with the other colors as well. Next, I'm going to be creating my cut crease with this MAC paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. So for this, it's really important that you want to use a flat brush. You don't want to use anything with puffy bristles because that's not going to give you a clean line for a cut crease. Next, we're going to lay down the glitter for our mobile part of our eyelid, and we're going to be using the color Reina, again from the Kat Von D palette. Just be careful with this one. It's really loose glitter, so it has a lot of fallout. And obviously, I was really feeling this one because let me tell y'all, it is pretty. Next, I'm going in with Destino, and I'm putting that on the inner corner of my eyelid. I also put it on the brow bone, but I didn't put that on camera. Next, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation because you know it's clutch. It's a pro filter kind, so that's the matte one. My color is 290, and then I'm using a beauty blender to blend it out. Next, I'm going in with the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. Don't judge me. I bought a little sample size to see if I would like it, and I do like it, so don't judge me. I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. This is all-time favorite setting powder. You really can't go wrong with this one. My favorite contour product is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. Obviously, you can tell by how I've hit the pan and I haven't looked back since. Next, I'm going to use my favorite blush. This is MAC Blush Baby, and I'm going to put those on the apples of my cheeks. Next, I did my liner off camera. I'll do a separate video showing my whole eyeliner. Then I went in on my under eyes with Romantico from the Lolita palette. For my highlight, I use Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby. I did my eyebrows off camera, but I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown, and the brush I used is number 7B. Next, I used a Dior Show Blackout Mascara, and I also put on my lashes off camera. Last, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills On Mute Liquid Lipstick on my lips. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for giving me a chance, and we'll give this another try on the next video. Thanks, everyone.